Hello. Did you wake up from your nap, Pappy? You're a happy girl. Can you say hello? Can you say hello? Happy girl. Yeah, what are you saying? Huh? Are you talking about how you took a nap and now you're happy, huh? Yeah. Happy girl. Happy girl. You ready to get out? Say bye-bye.